Hi, my name is Madison. As far as one of the most transformational pieces that I received from Masters of Self University would probably be valuing myself. There are so many things that I've learned from this program that have been monumental in my life, but I feel like that one sticks out the most because I've spent my whole life being what everybody else needs me to be in order for me to feel value or for me to feel important or wanted by other people. And I spent my whole life helping people and kind of pouring myself out and sacrificing pieces of myself in order to get that affirmation, to get that value that I've been craving. And through this program, I've had some deep healing around the wound of not being seen by myself or valued by myself. And that plays out in every aspect of my life. I didn't realize how big of a deal it was. Not constantly being dependent on other people or circumstances for my happiness. Not putting my value in other people's hands. I have really valued this program, and I could not recommend it more to anyone and everyone. And as a certified mystical life coach, I am really excited to bring this training to other people to help them see their value and work through a lot of those deeper wounds within themselves to basically change your life, to help you flourish in your life every day.